Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxy Charm for you guys, and I would use the products today, but I'm actually going to use those in another video for you guys. But I wanted to go ahead and open and see what was inside my Boxy Charm box. There is a weird stamp on them at this front of it, so you can't see the Boxy Charm part. Ugh. I'm just kidding. By the way, P.S. You're getting me in the same outfit because I'm trying to pre-record because I've been so busy these past few weeks that I haven't got to film, and so I'm trying to pre-record because I actually am going to be gone for the next like 3-4 weekends in a row because my little nieces are Miss Tammy's and they have cheer competitions. Like, we were just at one today. Hello, that's why I have a compete sticker, or does that say celebrate? It says celebrate on my hand right now. And then also too, we have one next weekend in Houston. I'm going down there, and then the next 2 weekends after that are in Frisco. So I don't know if I'm actually going to go to all 2 of those, but we will see, because Kaleigh has to go to every cheer competition. It's a thing. And if you didn't, I don't know if this is going to go up before or after my, well, this will go up before my March favorites. But I gave a little spiel at the beginning of my March favorites, which will be coming up very soon. But I've been doing I did Miss Tammy's for 15 years. So it was very passionate for me. And so that's why I want to be so passionate for them, because I know they'll love it. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this Boxy Charm unboxing. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button, become part of the Kaleigh Kinder family. And also like this video and let me know that you liked this Boxy Charm unboxing and you like seeing me open some goodies. Sometimes I almost think that I need to save like stuff that I order and do like a what Kaleigh buys unboxing. I don't know. Let me know if you want to see that, because I will definitely save my stuff. Even though I'm like all antsy about doing it, but I'll save it for you. I'll do it for the YouTube. So let's open the Boxy Charm. So this month was La Vie en Rose. I don't know what that means. It's Italian or Latin something, but it's like really pretty. And so let's talk about some of the products that are in here. Okay, so the first product we're going to pull out of this Boxy Charm and talk about is the Moda Powder and Soft Glow brushes. Now the powder, this is the powder brush and this is the soft glow brush. This is for Hello Powder, and then they say this is for using a highlighter or putting on highlight. So let's read. Your new Moda 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. The 2 brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and 2-tone synthetic brush hair will make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. And this retails for $29.99. So not a bad deal, because I paid $20 for this. So basically I just got these for, like, this is awesome that these were $29.99 and I paid $21 for this thing. So here they are, and they are really pretty rose gold. I'm gonna open these. I'm just gonna make a mess. It's fine. Oh. Okay, so this one, ooh. Okay, so this is a synthetic brush. It is not a real hair brush, but it's very soft, very nice. Ooh, this is really nice. Now, this, that's kind of too big for me. I almost would use this for, like, blush, like to dust on some blush. And then this powder brush looks very nice. Yes, I would use this for a powder brush. Very, very nice. Can't wait to use these. I mean, who doesn't need more brushes in their brush collection? Hello, I have 3 things of brushes in front of me. So, we're going to set these aside. The next thing I was really, really super excited to get, because it's also limited edition. I saw that it was limited edition. I was like, oh, I wish I could get this. And I got it. It's the Cover FX, and this is a Perfector Face Palette. And this is a light medium palette. Can we just look at that, please? That is so pretty. So I will tell you that this is Moonbeam, Divine, And then wait. Moonlight, let's go in order. Starlight, Moonbeam, Divine, Silhouette, Stellar, and Sublime. They put it backwards. I just realized. Okay, try this again. We're going to try this one more time. So this is Silhouette. This is Stellar. This is Sublime. This is Starlight, Moonbeam, and Divine. Why would they do that? I hate when they do that. I wish they would just put it like what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead. This is a finishing powder. Looks very pretty. Feels really nice. Ooh, feels real nice. Feels so good. And then let's see about swatching the highlighters. Ooh, very nice. Oh, that's really dark. But ooh, that's so pretty. And that one's really pretty. That one looks more my shade. So, and see, there's a brightener. This is a brightener. I don't know. Ooh, that's really pretty. That'll be pretty. And then the contour shade looks really promising. Looks very, very promising. Ooh, that blush. Ooh, that contour. That's gonna be bomb. That's gonna be perfect. This, I can't wait to try this. I'm so excited. I literally saw it come out on Cover FX Instagram, and then boom, wouldn't you know it, Boxy Charm got it. How the heck did that happen? You go, Boxy Charm. You go, girl. So yeah. Then, so the next thing, let's pull out these before we pull out the last thing. Oh, by the way, that Cover FX retails for $45. Mic drop, that is bomb. $45, and I paid $21 for the box. Has anybody seen that video of the husband unboxing the Boxy Looks and saying, I paid literally $50 and this is worth $1 million? That's where we're at today. Anyways, okay, so the next product is an Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Monaco. I actually got another shade from them. I can't remember what shade it was, but okay. The swatch is not promising. There we go. Is this? I don't know how I feel about this because it's like, it's buildable, but it's a really pretty shade. It's very violet and has brown and red undertones. It's very pretty. Probably gonna have to try to wear it. It has it's like a metallic, and I'm not a really big fan of metallics, but we could see how it's gonna work on my skin tone. But this Ofra liquid lip was originally $20, so very pretty. We'll try it out and see how it looks. This thing that I got, oh, I had to take out the packaging. This is gonna suck because I have no nails. This is Appeal Cosmetics, and it's a liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade, I have no idea, there's not even a shade, Rose Gold. Yeah, it's in the shade Rose Gold. That is more like a gold shade to me, or a coppery shade. Oh, ooh, that's, oh, this is, ooh, that's gonna make your eyes look wet. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Ooh, this is very nice. And the applicator is really weird. It looks like a lip gloss, but it's like, it's not a lip gloss. It's an eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. But that is super pretty. I can't wait to play with that. Ooh, that kind of looks patchy on there. I don't know. This is going to be interesting to play with. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like. I mean, it doesn't look patchy to me. I don't know why it looks patchy on the camera. And lastly, the thing that I'm most excited about is this Wonder Beauty Lift Off and Purifying Brightening Peel Off Mask. Now, this is a huge bottle. This bottle is literally like, well, it's not as big as this, But there is 2.2 ounces. 2.02 ounces. Now, I also heard that this color was especially made for Boxy Charm. And it's so pretty. I gotta figure out where to put this. It's a really pretty pinky champagne-y color. Oh, that feels so nice. That's gonna be real nice on my face. Look, they're right there next to right here. That is gonna be really pretty. You can't even see that. I'm sorry, I'm awful at swatches, but that's gonna feel real nice to pull off. Yeah, that's gonna feel real nice. Guys, that is it. Honestly, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I feel like the Boxy Charms just keep getting better, because last month I got, what did I get last month? Sometimes I wish I would like write this stuff down, but I think I got the Pretty Vulgar last month. I don't know, I'm awful with this, but like this alone makes it worth it, like getting Boxy Charm. Like I said earlier, I've spent $21 on this, and I got this bomb product. So, and I can't wait to try it. I'm really, really excited. So, yeah, I can't wait to try this. I'm probably going to put on this tonight. Ah! So, anyways, but you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the unboxing. And I'm sorry I'm wearing the same outfit, but you're going to get a bunch of videos here coming soon, because they're going to probably be double recorded and everything, because girl got a lot going on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know that you did like it. And all those swatches, look at those, man. Anyways, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Kaleigh Kinder family. And I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. And make sure you leave a request down below of what you want to see, because girl needs some ideas. All right, you guys, I love you, and I'll see you soon.